I'm in 2 point.
Cool.
Is that really cute?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
Oh, hey! Are you excited?
No, I think they're shaped for some reason.
So yeah.
Yes.
Alright, let me get this in. Alrighty. I just realised, oh yeah, I thought it was going to be room of what I'm supposed to be made. I was going to last night with your page. You're fine. We just worked it out as we go. I remember when I was talking to you the other day about it. I was saying like the little emails are not oily because you get oily after
Yeah.
time. You're doing too drop.
Everything page was what I like. So
Alright, and we're doing, because obviously all your models are like, we're not doing much right, so we're doing
yeah,
I'm going to do this focus. And you can
yeah, I feel it like I'm really
Yeah. So I'll pick up the feedback for our broadly
yeah, like I don't want my anxiety. Yeah, you know.
And no wing, or would you like a wing?
Look, I love the look of this. So that's what I my eye.
I don't want to feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, no, I like the look of it. I just when I try it, I think everything else will be started trying to see yeah,
What we can do is we can do a really big pencil line and start with the light of this.
yeah. And they'll be like that little work like a snatch.
Even if we just snatch that a little bit. And unfortunately, now that we're going to feel like that's why we're
I can look like crazy, but I can be a bit oilier through. But that I also like because of my SPF that I wear. You know, I've never not run out with an SPF, but I don't have any SPF on now.
Yeah, no, perfect.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to have my preference anyway.
I've been rather on my brows, but I don't know if you want to do them better. I haven't. Yeah. But I was gonna say I haven't. I was just using them because I had that reaction last week. I haven't put them on my face.
That's fine.
I haven't even waxed them. I've just been trying to tweeze them.
Yeah, that's good. Let me pop that some I was up so early this morning.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I just feel so like
Good though, isn't it?
yeah, but it wasn't super productive. I didn't get to the gym on time, so I didn't really before.
So Saturday is either Tuesday night, like not allowing the phone at like night normally, so over the holidays we would have had a phone. So she's been most nights playing up to like 2 or 3 in the morning and sleeping till like 11:30, 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
This morning I could get somebody out with kitchenary, but I just put myself in the I got a really for breakfast. And then I got a thing my husband got a spotlight and it sounded like that app like yeah, and I was like, that sounds like a notification so me know yeah. And then I sort of like tapped my phone and it was like jumping in like our place gang gang. So it was like Jasmine's left gang gang and I was like, what? It was just the top of the morning. I was like, yeah, I was like, this is not keep that to my child. Oh my god, she's not there. I'm like, I'm like, well, you supposed to know. That's it. She never normally goes that early. So I like sort of looked on the app and she was walking to 7-Eleven, which would be out there in the street, and she was walking out there. And I was like, oh, that's really random.
This is this morning.
This morning. So I just kept watching the app just to see like, because then I was like,